Are you looking for the best kitchen sink faucet? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me right there. So this is a very nice faucet because one, it has the swan neck to it. So if you needed to get something up and underneath it, you can do that with ease, but it also has a very thin profile all the way throughout. Another cool thing about this one is that whenever you're going to mount it up onto your kitchen sink, you just simply put it down into the hole, and you can either choose to have it this way to where you have full range of the lever right here to be able to go left and right and forward and back to be able to control your water temperature and the on and off. Or if you want to have it mounted to the side, you can turn it to the side, and that way you have control of it right here as well. You just want to make sure that you have enough room for the lever to go all the way back whenever it's up again. I don't know how close your backsplash is to your actual, where the hole is for the faucet to go into the sink. So I do want to let you guys know that if you are worried about that, the other option that you have is just bring it towards yourself. It actually makes it a little bit closer to you, so it might be a little bit easier to get a hold of. There's a Kohler right here. Kohler is definitely a leader whenever it comes to these types of kitchen faucets too. They make an excellent product. They've been around for years. And if you go like looking around at all the different ones, you're going to see Kohler over and over and again. They make awesome stuff. So you have the couple of buttons right here on the front to be able to control your flow. It's got the sprayer on there. This is what it looks like on the bottom right there. So you have your sprayer nozzle, you have your stream nozzle coming out right there, and then this one right here is just a stop button. So if you do want to stop the flow of water, you can just simply press that, maybe like while you're spraying, and then you let go, and then it'll go back to spraying everything, and then you can stop it to be able to put it away. Or if you're using this cord to be able to go out of the sink, you could stop it so you don't drip water everywhere, and then just simply put it back in just like that. As far as the bottom part of it, very easy to get installed. You have the what do you call that, a mounting plate that's going to go on the bottom right there. Once it's inside, underneath, just simply get that on up to there. It's got a couple of bolts that you're going to bolt on up to there. And then you have all of your piping right here. You got your cold line and your hot line right here. Just simply connect that up to the valve that's coming out from underneath the sink right there, and you're good to go. And then this black hose right here is what controls the pull down right here. I was at a friend's house, and he wanted to replace his faucet because the one thing that he had an issue with, and why he's replacing his faucet, is that somewhere in the hose right here, it got a kink or a hole or something, because he has kids. Of course, kids always making trouble everywhere. And so there was like water spraying out of the little hose right there. And so he figured he may as well just replace it. But I gotta say, he got his money's worth out of this thing, because I noticed the little tag thing on the bottom right here, and it said that this was manufactured in 2014. So he got 12 years of a solid faucet right here, and it probably would have lasted him a whole lot longer if it didn't have that, the kids, playing, trying to shoot, spray each other and all that type of stuff with it. It wouldn't have got that kink up in there. I don't know exactly where it is on the line right here, but I do know it was on this part that kind of pulled out right here. I did want to point out that this is connected at a ball and socket right here, so it gives you a nice little range of motion right there. So if you do need to kind of utilize that to move around a little bit, you got that little bit of extra give right there for that. So I like that. But if y'all are looking for an excellent faucet, gonna last a solid 12 years minimum. Maybe kids, right? If you have kids. But I mean, if you are just looking for a good one just to have, it's going to last a long time. You're not going to be too hard with it and all that type of stuff. This is going to be an excellent faucet for you. Definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you're looking for. Hey, y'all, let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that elbow right there. Definitely appreciate you guys looking that up for me. This one right here is this brushed nickel finished looking one. If you want a different finish on it, they do make this in a whole bunch of other finishes. Definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and get the one that's going to be the best fit for, all the other stuff that you have in your kitchen. I know I saw like a chrome finish, if you like kind of that mirror shine to it. There was a black matte one on there, I believe. And there's a few other ones. I can't remember them all. So, like I said, definitely go and check that out if that's something that you want. But This right here is a look at how everything is kind of connected for the supply lines to the copper pipes that go on up through the single handle right there. And so you've got a nice connection right here. No issues with leakage throughout here at all. So that's fantastic. And then you got the nice good threads right here to be able to get this easily mounted up for you. So like I said, y'all go and grab y'all one of these if this is something that you want. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. And Dad out.